discussing regarding direct and indirect. Okay, so the homework was given to you, and some of you have committed errors in that. You should not do that. One was given. Rami said, "I saw a lion in the forest." Rami said, "I saw a lion in the forest." So how it will be changed? I saw a lion in the forest. This is a simple past. So simple past here will change into past perfect. Okay. So Rami said that you take consider Rami as a girl. Rami said that she had seen a lion in the forest. Rami said that she had seen a lion in the forest. Is it clear to you? So likewise, it was to be done. It was to be done in this manner. Okay, so those who have done wrong, please rectify it. Is it clear to you? Yes, students, provide your response.
Yes, sir.
Those who have done wrong, they have understood or not? Simply you focus on what it is. Rami said, I saw a lion in the forest. Reporting verb is Rami said. Okay, so we have to make changes there in the part which is there in the inverted commas. So that is, I saw a lion in the forest. This is of past. So past change into past perfect. So it will become Rami said that she had seen a lion in the forest. All of you have understood it? Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Then next, Satish said to me. Satish said to me. After said, object is there. So Satish told me, I am very happy here. I am very happy here. Now I am very happy here is of simple present. So it will change into simple past. And here will change into there. Okay, so Satish told me that he was very happy there. Satish told me that he was very happy there. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Keep on, only Himanshu is providing answer. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, all of you have to provide your response. So Satish said to me, Satish told me that he was very happy there. He was very happy there. It will change like this. Why it will change like this? Because I am very happy here. This is in simple present. So simple present will change into simple past. Okay. And said to me change into told, because after said this object is there. So Satish told me that he was very happy there. Okay, children. Then the next, he said, I can do this work. He said, I can do this work. Modal is there, can is there. So can will change into could.
Good.
He said that he could do that work. This will change into that. He said that he could do that work. He said that he could do that work. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Then next, Renu said to me, I was washing the clothes. Renu said to me, I was washing the clothes. So I was washing the clothes. I was washing the clothes. I was washing the clothes. Clothes is past continuous. So past continuous will change into
Present.
past
Past
perfect.
perfect continuous.
Past perfect continuous. So Renu told me, okay, Renu said to me, Renu told me that
She
I,
had been watching the
Renu told me
washing the
that
clothes.
she had been washing the clothes. What will come? Had been. So Renu told me that she had been washing the clothes. Then he said, I have passed the test. I have. This is present perfect. So it will change into past perfect. Okay, so He said that he had passed the test. He had passed the test. Have you understood or not? You are
Yes,
having
sir.
a file there from the Google Classroom. You can open the file. Then he said honesty is the best policy. So honesty is the best policy. That is the universal truth. So no change will be there in the tense. He said that honesty is the best policy. So you have to remove inverted commas. You have to use conjunction that. So he said that honesty is the best policy. He said that honesty is the best policy. Then says, Satish says. So Satish says means says the reporting verb is not in past. So reporting verb not in past, it means the part which is there in the inverted commas, in that part there will be no changes. So Satish says that I am flying a kite. Satish says that he is flying a kite. Satish says that he is flying a kite. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Satish will say. Here also no change will be there
Yes, sir.
in the tense, because we have discussed that if the reporting verb will be there in present and in future, then there will be no change in the part which will be in inverted commas. Changes will be made only when the reporting verb will be there in past. So Satish will say is future reporting verb, and as it is in future, there will be no changes in the part which is there in the inverted commas. So it will become Satish will say that he wants a glass of
He wants a glass of milk.
he wants a glass of milk. Then I said to my friend, here changes will be there because the reporting verb said is past. So, and after
He
it,
told his friend.
he told his friend, he has seen, he has been working here. So, he has been working here. This is
He
present.
had been working.
Yes, Sadhna. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect. So it will be like this. I said to, I told my friend, it will be like this. I told my friend that he had been working very hard. He had been
Sir,
working. Haji, yes, Sadhna.
sir, he told his friend होना चाहिए ना?
हाँ, I said to, I told my friend. No, it will, here it will remain like this. I told my friend that he had been. I told my friend that he had been working very hard. Okay, this side it will remain only as it is. I told my friend that he had been working very hard. Okay, the pronoun will be changed in the reported part, inverted commas. Then he said, the sun rises in the east. He said that it is a universal truth. So he
He
said
said
that
that the sun
The
rises.
sun rises in the east.
the sun rises in the east. So likewise, children, I have discussed, because one or two errors I found in almost every response, some errors that indicates that still you have to practice a lot, still you have to work a lot. It should be there on your tape, children. You remember, you understand the rules, you practice it more and more, and the more practice you will make, the more you will understand. And wherever you are having a doubt, you ask. Unless you will practice, you will not learn. And definitely in exam, there will be a question of 4 marks. So if you want to secure your 4 marks, then you have to practice. Is it clear to you? So
Yes,
you
sir.
should be 100%
Yes,
sure
sir.
and determined that I will not lose any marks. I will score full out of full in direct and indirect or the other grammar things. And that will happen when you will clear all your doubts, you will learn everything, you will go through all the rules and regulations. Okay, and children, if you have any doubt regarding that, then you have to ask. Okay, so we have discussed. Okay, and those who have not submitted, a record is maintained. Those who are not submitting, they think that it will work. For example, let me tell regarding this Sara, I have not found so far anything submitted from your side. Okay, then Garima submitting or not. So those who are not submitting, at the end of the day, when marks will be given, that time you will find that you have been awarded 0. Because if you will submit, a record is there, clear cut record is there, children. Those who are submitting, we are getting a list, and those who are not submitting, their name will not be there, it will be indicated missing. Let me tell you from this work who are missing. Akansa missing, you have not submitted. Archana Meena not submitted. Archita Savita not submitted. Bhavishya not submitted. Deyans Rao not submitted. Garima Sulya not submitted. Ginisha Khanna, Harshil, Isant Reshi, Jayasri, Kushagre, Mansi, Manvi. Shall I read all the names? So children, don't have such false notion that if you will not submit, then also it will work. You are class 10th student, and if you are not submitting, a clear cut record is there and you will face a problem. So again I am telling you, keep submitting your work well in time. Is it clear to you? The
Yes,
marks
sir.
be regular, then only your learning will be regular, and then only the marks and all you will get in equal proportion. Okay, for internal. So your home assignment, if any is given, then that is to be submitted by you. If you are submitting, it's an online. We are getting everything. Time, at what time you submitted. Okay, every record is there. This is online. You can also check yourself. Okay, so those who have not submitted, submitted. All the things so far what we have done, all the things are to be submitted. Now children, the next thing you have to do is changes in words expressing nearness, time, auxiliaries, how that is to be done. Changes in words expressing nearness, time, auxiliaries. Okay, all this you have to write. How, what kind of changes are to be made? If this is there, then that will change into changes into that. Okay, if this is there, that will change into this, will change into that. So likewise you keep on writing what will change into what, this, that, then there, those, now, then, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night, okay. Then children, then after this you write about models, how they change. Pen changes into could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, ago, before, just, then, come, go. Okay. So likewise, changes are to be made. You do it, then we will discuss regarding the imperative sentences. Okay. Where orders are given, commands are given, requests are made. How the changes are to be made in words expressing nearness, time, and auxiliaries. Okay, so this will change into that, there changes into those, now changes into then, today, that day, tomorrow, okay, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, ago, before, just, then, come, go, thus, so. In could, no change will be there, it will remain the same. Might, no change, it will remain the same. Should, it will remain the same. Would, it will remain the same. In context to models. So you write it, then we will proceed. All of you have written or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You write it, then we will discuss.
No, sir.
Okay, you take your time, you complete it, then tell me you have written, and then we will discuss regarding the imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences where an order is given, a request is made, a command is given. Okay, so likewise we will discuss, and it will come there in the exam. So you prepare well in this online exam also, to be conducted on 24th. So in that also all these things will be asked, and you should prepare well in order to score good marks. Just make a very good practice. And those students, they don't remain present, they also inform your friends that attendance is a must. Online attendance we are getting there in the mail. We know how much time you spend there in the class. Every detail we are getting. Okay, and equally it is marked there in the register. So that you have to ensure.
Completed, sir.
Okay. What about others? All of you complete.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Is there anyone who has not? Is there anyone who has not completed? Is there anyone, that child could respond, who has not completed? Otherwise, it means that all of you have completed. Okay. Now children, changing commands and requests into indirect speech. How commands and requests, they are changed. For example, say, so you write the heading you write, changing commands and requests into indirect speech.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Sadhna.
सर सर जैसे क्वेश्चंस और स्टेटमेंट
ठीक।
को चेंज करना था, वैसे कमांड्स को चेंज
Yes,
करना
बोलो.
है.
What? Yes, Sadhna, repeat.
सर जैसे हमने स्टेटमेंट और क्वेश्चंस वाले जो क्वेश्चंस थे, क्वेश्चन वाले जो सेंटेंस थे और स्टेटमेंट जो सेंटेंस थे उनको चेंज किया था, वैसे अब कमांड को करना है.
That I will tell, I will guide. Right now, first of all, I will tell you how they will be changed. So you write the heading, changing commands and requests into indirect speech. Changing commands and requests in indirect speech. Into indirect speech. Okay, changing commands and requests into indirect speech. Okay, so first of all, you write, she said to me, open the window. Okay, she said to me, open the window. So now you have to write as per the mood reflected. If you think that it is an order, then you will write, she ordered me to. She ordered me to open the window. She ordered me to open the window. If you think that it is a request, she requested me to open the window. Okay, so likewise the changes are to be made. Yes.
सर जैसे क्वेश्चंस में चेंज करना होता था तो आस्क्ड लगाते थे, वैसे कमांड और रिक्वेस्ट में
No,
रिक्वेस्टेड और
why you should, first of all, you should speak in English. That is for question, that is for interrogative sentences. First of all, we discuss statements, then regarding interrogative sentences. So asked, that is to be used in interrogative sentence where there is a question mark. Okay, all those rules which we discussed in terms of interrogative sentences, in terms of questions, they are limited to them. Now we are discussing regarding commands, regarding orders. So here you have to follow this. Here what, how it is to be done.
She commanded me to open the window.
Yeah, likewise, she wanted me to open the window, she ordered me to open the window, she requested me to open the window. But more, open the window, it's something like order. So you can write, she ordered me. She ordered me. What is conjunction is used? To. What will be used? To. Know that. Okay. So she ordered me to open the window. Okay. So likewise it is to be done. You do one more. The captain said to the captain said to the soldiers, attack the enemy. Okay, the captain said to the soldiers, attack the enemies. Here it's a clear-cut order. So the captain ordered the soldiers to
enemy.
attack the enemy. Or here you can, it's a command. So the captain commanded the soldiers to attack the enemy, or the captain ordered the soldiers to attack the enemy. After two, the tense has not been changed. The captain ordered or commanded, both are correct. Ordered or commanded, both are correct. So the captain ordered the soldiers to attack the enemy. Okay, the captain commanded the soldiers to attack the enemy. Is it clear to you? So conjunction 2 is to be used, and thereafter Directly.
Sir, will tense.
Yes. Yes, Sadhna.
Sir, will tense changed?
No, it will not. After two, directly you have to write. The captain ordered the soldiers to attack the enemy. Will you do it? Will you write it? Okay.
Okay,
The
sir. Yes, sir.
captain ordered the soldiers to attack the enemy. Okay, so you have to understand the mood that has been expressed. You write further. The teacher said to the students, the teacher said to the students, the teacher said to the students, listen to me attentively. Okay, the teacher said to the students, the teacher said to the students. So what teacher will do? The teacher asked the students to listen to him attentively. The teacher asked, that is the mood reflected, that of asking. Okay. The teacher asked the students to listen him attentively. Sadhana, this is not that asked. This is not that in that manner. This is not in that manner. That we are not here. What you have to focus on here, the mood reflected, as Vinisa said, that wanted. Okay, she wanted the window to be opened. So here asking, the teacher is asking for something. For what the teacher is asking? The teacher is asking to listen him attentively. So the teacher asked the students, to listen him attentively. Okay, so likewise, as per the mood reflected, if it is order, ordered, if it is a request, requested, if it is a command, commanded. Okay, likewise. So the teacher asked the students to listen him attentively. You have to focus on the mood that is reflected. You write the next one. The principal said to the peon. The principal said to the peon, ring the bell. The principal said to the peon, ring the bell. So what it is? What the mood is?
Order.
Order. The principal ordered the peon. The principal ordered the peon to will be used. The principal ordered the peon to, yes, speak.
Ring the bell.
To ring the bell.
Yes, the principal ordered the peon to ring the bell. The principal ordered the peon to ring the bell. You have understood or not? The mood, what that is reflected, you have to use that. To is to be used, and then there is no change in the tense. Directly you have to write. If any change is to be made in the relative pronoun, that is to be. All of you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then,
Yes.
yeah. So this is regarding the imperative sentences where any command, request. Okay. Then the next you write sentences with let. sentences so you write he said to me, let us go home. Okay, so sentences with let. He said to me, let us go home. So here also you have to understand the mood. He suggested to me that we should go home. So what it will become? He suggested. He suggested to me. He suggested to me that we should go home. Okay, sentences with let us go home. He said to me. He said to me. So here what it is? It is a suggestion. So it will become what we are discussing. We are discussing what we are discussing. We are discussing the sentences with let. They are in the imperative sentences. So in imperative sentences, the sentences with let, how they are to be done? He said to me, let us go home. Okay, let us go for a movie. Let us go for a walk.
सर
Yes.
यहाँ सजेस्टेड के बाद टू क्यों आया?
Uh, he suggested directly you write me, है ना? He suggested me.
यस सर.
He suggested me that we should go home. He suggested me that we should go home. Okay, so that is used and we should go home likewise. You write some more sentence. Ram said to Mohan, Ram said to Mohan, Ram said to Mohan, let him do it. Let him do it. Yeah. Ram said to Mohan, let him do it. So try to make it. Ram said to Mohan, let him do it. How it will be changed? Ram told Mohan, or what has been Ram said to Mohan, let him do it. So it is just like an order. So it will become Ram ordered Mohan to let him do that. Ram ordered Mohan. Ram ordered Mohan. Ram ordered Mohan. Ram ordered Mohan.
सर वांटेड भी तो आ सकता है ना?
What?
वांटेड भी तो आ सकता है ना?
Yeah, but order this will be better. है ना?
ओके सर.
Ram ordered Mohan to let him do. It will change into that. Let him do that. Okay, so how the sentences with let are to be changed? Okay, here we discussed. He said to me, let us go home. So a suggestion. So he suggested me that what has been conveyed, that let us go home, that we should go home, that we have done. He suggested me that we should go home. Here Ram said to Mohan, let him do it. Let him do it. So what we have? Ram ordered Mohan to let him do that. So likewise, the sentences with let are to be done. Then children, other sentences, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. So there you have to focus on the exclamation. Okay. And as per that, that is to be done. Okay. So this one all of you have written or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you have written, no? So that regarding the exclamatory sentences also we have discussed in the earlier classes. You write Rohan said, "Hooray, we won the match. We won the match." Okay, so Rohan said, "Hooray, we won the match." Now you have two children. Find that this exclamation is of which emotion? Is it of joy? Is it of surprise? Is it of sadness?
Joy.
Yeah. So Ram exclaimed with joy. What it will become? Ram exclaimed with joy that we won the match. Now the tense will be changed. They had won the match. So Ram exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. How you will find exclamatory? Exclamation mark will be there. Okay. And sentences hooray, bravo. Okay. So likewise, alas. Likewise, you will find with the help of that, you can identify it, you can recognize that this is exclamatory and exclamation mark will be there. So there you have to, he exclaimed with joy, he exclaimed with surprise, he exclaimed with sadness. Okay, likewise. So here it will become, Rohan said, "Hooray, we won the match." Rohan exclaimed with joy. Rohan exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Is it clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
The exclamatory sentences. Okay. Then further you write Rima said, Karina's mother is suffering okay. So Rima said,
Sorrow.
alas. This exclamation mark is there. What kind of emotion is conveyed
Sorrow.
here?
Rima
Sorrow.
exclaimed that Rima exclaimed with sorrow that
Yes. So that you derived from here, that it is an expression of sorrow, or it is an expression of joy, or it is an expression of happiness. So Rima exclaimed with sorrow that, yeah, continue. Yes, Sadhna.
that
That
Karina's mother
Karina's
was
mother
suffering
is suffering. So it will change into simple
Was.
was.
was
Simple past. It will become simple past. So Rima exclaimed with sorrow that Karina's mother was suffering from cancer. Rima exclaimed with sorrow that Karina's mother was suffering from cancer. So children, you focus on the exclamation mark, and then equally exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with surprise, exclaimed with delight. Likewise, it is to be used. Is it clear to you? And then conjunction that is used and the tense is to be changed. Is it clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
So the time
Yes, sir.
is up. We have discussed all the things. We have discussed about the statements. We have discussed about questions. We have discussed about this commands. We have discussed about request commands and the exclamatory sentences. Okay, all these are asked. But children, a great deal of practice is required. The more practice you will make, the more fluent you will become in answering and responding. So you keep on practicing. Okay, next class also I will take a test of direct and indirect. Okay, as a whole, now we have discussed. So everything I will give, you have to identify that the sentences is that of a statement, or as per the rules of statement we have to change, as per the rules of questions we have to change, as per the rules of imperative sentences we have to change, or as per the rules of exclamatory sentences we have to change. Okay, so regarding this, test will be taken there in the next class. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here this class comes to an end.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, children.